showcase for celebrating the 25-year summit.
And the government of Australia for your long-term support to our people. Your work in research, training, and on-the-ground project has made a real difference for our farmers and rural community. In Timor-Leste, agriculture is no more than just a job. It is the lifeblood of our people and the backbone of our economy. It gives work to most of our citizens, support family and community, and is key to our growth and food security. Our government sees agriculture as a top priority. It is central for the reduction of poverty, improving nutrition, helping people adapt to climate change, and ensuring inclusive growth. But we cannot do it alone. That's why you are here. Take the knowledge reserve and the teamwork that ACIAR provides have been very important in helping us achieve those goals. Today, the showcase highlights the many ways ACIAR has helped Timor-Leste over the 25 years. Together with local institutions, universities, extension workers, and farmers, ACIAR has helped improve soil health, crop diversity, livestock care, value chains, post-harvest handling, and nutrition-focused farming. As a Vice Prime Minister, as a Minister coordinating for economic affairs, I want to strengthen ACIAR that ACIAR work in center of building a modern, productive, and sustainable agricultural system in Timor-Leste. The government of Timor-Leste looks forward to continuing this close partnership, making sure every project benefits our farmers and rural communities. I also want to thank everyone who helped organize this event, the technical team, researchers, institutions, and ACIAR country team, including our ambassador during all your duty. For so many years we know each other. I am ambassador. We have a very unique and very same face. Every time I wear blue, ambassador wears green. Your hard work is greatly appreciated. With that, it is my great honor to officially open the ACIAR program showcase. I hope everyone has a fruitful and inspiring event. Let us learn from each other, celebrate our progress, and continue working together for a stronger food security in Timor-Leste.